The xQc experience.
Oh my god, there's so many of them. Thor's pretty good though. I'll give Thor an A. No, I'll give it a B because it's kind of cool. It's corny as fuck. I'll give it a. It's so corny. It's so corny. Let me see. The ones actually that I know of. Batman Rises, right? And this. Hold up. I'm gonna drag the ones that I know of. Iron Man 3, Avengers, Spider-Man, Blade, Big Hero 6. Which one? Deadpool? Oh, The Dark Knight for sure. Batman Begins for sure. What? Guys, I'm putting those that I know of, that I've seen, so I can put them in this box, and then I could put them in. You guys chill out. I haven't seen this. I didn't see this. This is dog shit. This Ant-Man is garbage, but I've seen it. Fantastic Four. Okay, Iron Man for sure. Kick-Ass. I only seen Kick-Ass 1, I think. Where's it at? I can't see it. Where's it at? X-Men for sure, dude. What else? Kick-Ass is right here. Got it. Because I only put the ones that I'm comfortable rating. I'm comfortable rating. Spider-Verse is just kind of dog shit. Okay. Okay, so okay. Where's the first Spider-Man? The Incredible Spider-Man. This one, right? I'm gonna give it a S. I'm gonna give it a. Is it Spider-Man 2? What is the first one then? No, this Spider-Man 2. Right. Okay. Guys. The things I put at the bottom are they're not in order. I just put them in so they're ready to go. Okay. Spider-Man 1 is S for sure. Big Hero 6, that doesn't count though. Because I feel like Big Hero 6 doesn't count. It's not really a superhero movie. It's not really though. I'll give it an A though. It's great. It's great animation. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. It's really good, for sure. Deadpool. You know what, chat? I'm gonna give it a D. I think it's garbage. I think Deadpool is just a literal garbage. Yeah, it's corny. It's corny. They break the fourth wall on purpose. It's all over the place. It's like almost like a skit. It's just kind of dog shit. It's just bad. It's not good. The point? Okay. And the point is that it's not very good. I enjoy it. Okay. Spider-Man 2 is an A. Guys, I think Spider-Man's they went kind of downhill, but not like bam. They coasted at a high level, but downwards trend. Does that make sense? Like I think the Spider-Man's started at the top, right? This is the top of the ladder, and it got one like this. So it's not alarming because it doesn't go down, right? But you can feel that it's like it's not as good. The first Spider-Man had everything that needed to be a superhero movie. Dank. 2, good, but okay. So that's my take. That's my take. Relax. Okay, what is this guy? What one is this one? What is this one? Is this the one with Andrew Garfield? Yeah. I'll give it a B. Because I have to give it a B. I'm sorry. I have to give it a B. The problem with that movie is that it's a little the high school aspect is a little forced and feels out of place compared to the immersion of the high school of 1. It's way more fabricated. It's way more Americanized. It's a little weird. Kind of weird. Okay. And the computer effects are not very good either. Okay. Kick-Ass. It's entertaining. It's kind of dog shit. Guys, it's kind of dog shit. It's kind of funny how stupid it is. So I'm not gonna put it to E, but I think it's kind of dog shit. Okay. Okay. Batman Begins. Where's Begins? Here. That's A. Batman Dark Knight, it's S, and Batman Rises back to A. I would even maybe put this one into B, but because of how intricate some of the action is and some of the CGI, I have to give it. It's still A. It's entertaining. It's good. The plot makes sense. It's a little crazy sometimes, over the top, but hey, we take it. We take those. It's still A. Okay, that's out of the way. Iron Man 1. S. Definitely S. Okay. It captures all the progression, the timeline. You truly see the evolution and the worth of the Iron Man. S. Okay. The rest of the Iron Man's dog shit. Don't even try it. Don't even try it. The rest of the Iron Man's dog shit. Okay, it loses that essence. It loses that the specialty, the mystery. Iron Man loses its flair. It just becomes kind of annoying. Dog or manjo. At most, I'll put the 3 in B or A. Where's it at? Captain America? B. It's gonna Captain America? B minus, B neutral, whatever, dude. First X-Men? Got S. For sure. The first X-Men? The one with the girl comes out of the water? Pretty dank. The evolution of the characters is good. The character integrity, the way they're presented by their actors, it's all pretty done. Is that another first one? Oh, it is then? Okay. Ant-Man, guys, garbage. C. It's kind of garbage. The effects are cool. The way that they translate the character into visuals is pretty well done. They try harder with it. It paid off. But the overall character and the feel of the universe around the hero, dog shit. C. Avengers, all of them go to B. It's corny, it's weird, it's kinda ass. I don't like it. People like it so much because it has all their favorite characters mashed in one. But quantity isn't just quality. It's just a garbage mess of everything. The timeline is hard to follow sometimes. It's all over the place. There's so much things going on here, there, back to these guys, back to these guys, back to them, back to these guys. Oh god, come on, man, come on. I'll put the first one in A because it's still pretty good. Come on, chat, come on. Blade 1 and 2, I would say I'd give them a B or a even. I'll give Blade an A. I'll give Blade a B. I'll give him an A for sure. Blade is fantastic. Blade is fantastic. Fantastic movie. This is Deadpool B. No, Deadpool is D, and he said it one more time, he's gonna go to fucking E or F. Dumb fuck. Deadpool is gonna sink down to E if you say that one more thing about him. I cannot stand Deadpool. It is garbage. This is garbage. Nacho Libre. You know what? It's garbage. It's a C. It's a C. It's kind of garbage. I'm sorry. It's funny though. It's funny though. Ghost Rider. Depending on when you watched it as a kid, I think for the target age of teens or whatever, I'll give it. You know what, chat? I'm gonna be generous. I'll give it a B minus. B minus. I want to hear it. Where's Logan at? Logan's pretty good, right? Can we all agree? Guys, the problem I have with Thor, okay, is that it's good. The special effects, guys, I have to get it a B. Special effects, the mystery is good. The story is well delivered. The timeline makes sense. The problem that I have is it's so fucking corny. Why is it so corny? I don't get it. They have all the elements for a good movie. They're popping up, and the ads are just corny ass shit. Why? Why? Who else?
The xQc's experience.
Superman's pretty good. Logan? Chat, Logan is good. I give it an A. Logan is good. I give it an A. A plus. A plus. Logan, it's a fantastic movie. It's well done. It's well explained. They don't over-explain, but it's pretty good. Hulk is dog shit. Who's the hero again? That plays the guy? Mark Ruffalo. Mark Ruffalo is washed. Overrated. Mark Ruffalo is super overrated. Chill out, brother. Chill out, brother. It's Hancock. Who the fuck? Oh, this is Hancock. Yeah, this movie is this is not it. Guys. He's not in the movie. Okay, I don't give a shit. Whoever plays Hulk, it's the same thing. What else? Aquaman. Dude. Hey, it's D. You know, dude. Deadpool to E. Aquaman to D. Fuck Deadpool. Dog shit. It's just not good. It's just not good. Fantastic Four. You know what? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't mind Fantastic Four. I think it's pretty good. The effects are pretty good for the time that it was made in. The characters have a decent... Oh, is that the reboot? Wait, which one is this? Which one is that? Hellboy is pretty good. Chat, I'll give Hellboy, I'll give it a B plus. Almost an A. Hellboy is pretty good. I feel like the story isn't delivered as good as you would expect it to, for how, not complex, but how, for the pace of the movie. It's kinda, Okay, what else? It's about it, boys. Punisher, I'll get it an A minus. The Incredibles, it's really good. It's S. Guys, animation-wise, for the type of movie that it is, in Incredibles, it's S. Incredibles 2, I'll give it an A+, not an S. Guys, they do really good animation. It's gonna OP. It's gonna OP. Incredibles is a great movie. What else we got in here? Suicide Squad, that's a D. D-, dog shit. Green Lantern, that's just E. That's garbage. Guardians of the Galaxy. You know what? Hey. I'll give it a mid-A. It gets carried by the soundtrack and the effects, but I think overall, it's a little too corny for me. A little too forced when it comes to humor. I like the humor to be subtle, yet it gets to the point. The problem is that in this, it doesn't get you there, it carries you there, and that's that annoys me. I don't like when the humor is like, when the humor is like, hey man, the humor is here, look. Not, yo, look. I hate that. Stop that. It's so annoying. If it's funny, I'll laugh. But don't fucking, like, chill out, dude. No? Should I agree with this or not? Spider-Verse is ass. People say it's underrated. I think it's overrated. Spider-Verse, people say, hey man, it's underrated. People didn't watch it as much because but it's extremely good. It's garbage. Garbage. Overrated. Insane overrated. No, dude, I'm gonna put it in E and dip one into F. Hey, we're going turn. Can I end the stream? Man, how about you get the fucking bitch? I'm about to spit in the fucking camera. What else we got in here, boys? The rest I don't care. Is this end game? No name. Yeah, it's got miss 50k bits, no shot. Wait, are alerts on? They're on, right? You guys, this tier list is pretty good. This is a good tier list. If I could, I would, guys. If I could, I would put Lord of the Rings. Oh wait. S. All of them into S. All of them into S. Okay. Half the Harry Potters, mostly the beginning, the early ones, 1, 2, 3, into S. The rest into A+. Star Wars, I put 1 or 2 into A+, maybe 1 into S. The rest, B's and C's. Dog shit. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. And The Hobbit, most in S. The Hobbit, how many of it was there? There was The Hobbit. Was there only one Hobbit? I don't remember how many Hobbits there are. 3, right? I would put, I think, 2 into S, 1 to A. One of them was over off.
2 year pop.
You know what? I put 1 into S, 2 and A. No, Hobbit wasn't that great. And now that I remember it, it's been a long time and it's it. Yeah, I think this is a good list. Because everybody agrees that Kick-Ass is entertaining, but at the end of the day, dog shit. Suicide Squad, dog shit, straight through. Aquaman, garbage. I hate it. Therefore, I hate it. Pet peeve of mine. I hate it. Chat. Nacho Libre. The thing with Nacho Libre though is that it delivers an emotional punch. Because like me, the scene at the end, like this. Dun 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 dun. I am. Na 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 na. It's a good scene. It's like the one give up. It delivers an entertaining, emotional punch, and it gets your heart going. Yes. Okay, boys, that's about it, boys. Bang.